5 clean weight loss smoothies that double as dinner. Smoothies for dinner might not be the norm, but there are plenty of reasons to sometimes swap out your usual chicken and veggies combo for a nutrient-dense drink. These include: 1. Having a big, late lunch and not being super hungry. 2. Eating like crap all day and feeling your body crying out for some actual nutrition. 3. Not feeling like cooking anything, period. For nights when you hit one, or all, of those check marks, try one of these clean, and seriously satisfying, picks from some of our favorite food bloggers. The Green Thing Smoothie: spinach? Check. Parsley? Check. Avocado, carrot, apple, and flaxseed. Check that times 4. This is basically the most nutrient-dense smoothie you can drink, which makes it perfect for those regrettable days when you had a donut for breakfast and pizza for lunch. Carrot cake smoothie. Everyone knows that having dessert for dinner is a bad idea. But when you trade carrot cake for this creamy carrot cake smoothie, it's totally okay. It's got cashews and hemp seeds to keep you full all night, plenty of cinnamon and ginger for maximum flavor, and 3 servings of produce. Nice. Coconut almond ginger protein shake. This thick, creamy shake is loaded with almonds, coconut, and vanilla, for nights when you really want to eat clean but don't feel like drinking a salad for dinner. Post-workout green smoothie. Sure, it might be designed to replenish you after your sweat session. But with plenty of protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and green vegetables, this drink's got all the makings of a well-rounded meal. It might be named after a cake, but this smoothie definitely counts as dinner. You've got your veggies, beets, your fruit, strawberries, your carbs, banana, and your protein, Greek yogurt. And you don't even need dessert afterwards.